Hello, children. How are you? You are welcome to the digital classes of Christ Church Convent Higher Secondary School, Gadawara. I am Amit Toshniwal, your English teacher. This video is for class 8th. Subject is English. Lesson number 7. Nothing you can't do. Part 1. So after enjoying the story of Mowgli in last lesson, this is the time to recollect our courage, willpower. And this lesson will teach you the same. You just think it over what will happen if anyone loses one of his or her body part. In such cases, life becomes very, very difficult. Number of challenges and difficulties have to be faced. Obstacles and hindrance to do work come on the path of life, but one has to overcome of all these difficulties of life. So what is the name of lesson? Nothing you can't do. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जो तुम नहीं कर सकते. हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं जहाँ चाह है वहाँ राह है. जहाँ चाह वहाँ राह. Where there is a will, there is a way. So this is actually a story of a boy named Sharad, who had lost his one of the arms in an accident, and after that he got frustrated and used to steal his eyes to meet someone. But an incident in his life changed his mind, his attitude to see the life. सोचो, कल्पना करो इस बारे में कि समझो कोई अपना एक्सीडेंट में कोई बॉडी पार्ट, कोई एक हाथ, हथेली, आम, पैर, पंजा, आँखें, कुछ भी यदि खो देता है तो जीवन में कितनी मुश्किलों का सामना करना पड़ता है. बट देयर आर पीपल हु हैव मेड सच एक्सीडेंट्स and still they survive with all the courage and with all the hopes. So this lesson will teach you that one should not lose courage. One should be hopeful and optimistic in life. This will teach you how to overcome the difficulties and obstacles which are coming on the path of life. Okay, so let us start this lesson. So be attentive and listen carefully. The scene starts at railway station where a boy named Sharad is waiting for a train to come. It was the month of cool November evening, and the boy was going to Delhi. he was wearing a shawl which was on his shoulder. And this shawl was a constant companion of his. हमेशा वो शॉल ओढ़े रहता था पूरे 12 months of the year, 12 महीने. And why he used to wear that shawl, wrapped his shawl all 12 months, just to hide the stump on his right hand. Stump means जो हिस्सा कट जाने के बाद एक बचा हुआ हिस्सा होता है बॉडी पार्ट को कट जाने के बाद. यहाँ पर उसको तुम ऐसा समझ सकते हो कि लूला, उसका एक जो राइट हैंड था वो कट गया था और वो कैसे कटा था? द ट्रेन ओनली, व्हेन ही वॉज ट्रैवलिंग समवेयर in a train, then he met an accident. So in second paragraph of this lesson, he is remembering that incident 3 साल पहले, almost in the beginning of 3rd millennium. He was sitting in a train and he left his seat after his supper. Supper means night meal. रात के खाने को supper बोलते हैं, SUPPR. So he got up to wash his hands at the sink, which is very next to the open compartment of the door. So after washing his hands, he turned and the train suddenly jerked. धक्का सा लगा एकदम से, and he was thrown out of the train. He became off balance and was thrown out of the train due to that jerk. उड़ता हुआ वो बाहर दरवाजे से बाहर पहुंच गया. So when he landed on his back, and the wheels of train severed his right arm above his elbow. For next couple of hours he laid down on the track, and it was bleeding at all, and he was extremely in pain. After some time, a track inspector passed from that way and he found him, and that boy was taken to hospital. It was too damaged and sweet, मतलब उसको टाँके वगैरह लगे, वहाँ पर ले गया वो. The doctor said that case was very critical, but somehow by the grace of God he lived. But lived with that disability, that stump of a hand that he used to hide from everyone with that using shawl. हाथ कट गया था, इसलिए वो शॉल ओढ़ा रहता था ताकि कोई उसे देख न ले, पहचान न ले कि ये डिसेबल है. उसे उस बात को लेके वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन में था, इन्फीरियरिटी में था. उसे ये महसूस होता था कि लोग मेरा मजाक उड़ाएंगे. अब वो ट्रेन के अंदर पहुंचा तो कंपार्टमेंट वॉज ऑलमोस्ट फुल, बट he got his tickets reserved. So nervously he was walking to his seat and he was gripping his suitcase in his left hand. And when he sat down, he started seeing at the floor so that he should not see other traveler mats. So he had a fear that somebody can notice his disability. तो उसको डर था, वो शर्म आ रही थी उसे, तो वो किसी से आंखें नहीं मिला रहा था. नजरें चुरा रहा था सबसे। तो उसे अपने आसपास क्या हुआ, cheerful lovely voices, lively voices of people around made him realize that they were मतलब he heard the voice of some young boys and girls around 13, 14, 15, 16 years old. So 2 girls and 3 boys were sitting and they were talking excitedly. So one of them asked Sharad. Sharad means the boy who boarded in the train, जिसका हाथ कटा हुआ है। उससे पूछा एक बच्चे ने, hey, you two are participating in Olympics. किसी ने पूछा उसको। So he did not answer. Then again he was asked, I am talking to you, sir. This time he realized that a boy who was looking like an athletic, he was sitting his right side and was talking to him. And he realized that with an he was under pressure, he was fearing, he was afraid that if the shawl had slipped from his right shoulder, so my stump will be revealed to everyone. And that is why he started to cry. His eyes filled with tears. So he could not understand. So he said, I don't understand, what do you mean? But he could not speak properly. He talked in a very choking voice. दबी दबी आवाज़ में उसने बोला कि मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा। तो one girl who was sitting very next to, opposite to him, so she said to that boy, and his name is Manjeet, don't upset him. And that girl, she felt sorry for that to start late. Start late means गुस्सा दिलाना, आक्रोशित करना या रुला देना, दुखी करना. But she said कि he never meant to you make any harm. And he was assuming means thinking that you two are going to Delhi to participate in the Olympics as we are going. So this is because we all are like you. हम भी तुम्हारे जैसे ही हैं, तो हमें लगा कि शायद तुम भी दिल्ली जा रहे हो तो ओलंपिक्स में ही जा रहे होगे. तो he was startled once again. Hardly, meekly, बड़े शर्म के साथ he raised his eyes. So the girl was smiling, and she was around 14 years old and was looking like an angel and wearing a track suit. And he became shocked, Sharad, when he saw that girl also had a stump in her right hand, but she was not hiding it. So she was flaunting it confidently, मतलब वो बहुत confidently लग रही थी. फिर उसने देखा अपने राइट साइड में एक लड़का जिसका नाम मंजीत था, जिसने सबसे पहले उससे पूछा था. सो ही गेव हिम अ वेरी बिग स्माइल एंड ही टू वॉज वेयरिंग अ ट्रैक सूट. तो उसने महसूस किया कि अरे इसके तो ही हैड नो लेग्स, कोई भी पैर नहीं है. अब वो देख रहा है उन बच्चों को, एक लड़की जिसका एक हाथ कटा हुआ है, एक बच्चा जिसके पैर नहीं है. वो सारे बच्चे भी लगभग वो सारे बच्चे भी उसी के जैसे हैं. एंड फिर हियर ऑनवर्ड्स अ कॉन्वर्सेशन स्टार्ट्स अमंग देम, शरद एंड अदर बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स. So that conversation only brought a great change in Sharad's attitude towards life. So what happens? For this you will have to listen second video. We'll see in second part. So you go through the lesson, read it, and I will ask you some questions. Okay? Thank you.